Over the next 5 decades, our planet will undergo significant transformations as a result of the accelerating impact of climate change on our society. Of the many species affected by this phenomenon, the polar bear serves as a particularly critical component in preserving the equilibrium of the Arctic ecosystem. The primary source of food for polar bears, the seal, is heavily dependent on fish and crustaceans, which are essential resources for both human and Arctic wildlife populations. Moreover, climate change has already disrupted the habitats of numerous Arctic animals, and rising sea levels pose an imminent threat to coastal areas worldwide. By 2050, for instance, U.S. coastlines could experience up to a 12-inch rise in sea levels, placing major metropolitan areas such as San Francisco and New York City at risk. By 2100, Venice, Italy could also be entirely submerged. It is essential to note that climate change impacts not only the present but future generations. As ice caps continue to melt, unregulated greenhouse gas emissions contribute to an increase in global temperatures. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat inside the Earth's atmosphere, leading to hazardous climate pattern changes. Immediate action is necessary to mitigate this phenomenon. One practical approach is to conserve energy at home by using energy-efficient applications like LED light bulbs and energy-efficient appliances, among other measures. Moreover, it is essential to limit the use of cars, which are significant contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Alternative modes of transportation, such as carpooling, public transportation, cycling, or walking, are available options. By adopting these practices, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, slow down climate change, and preserve the planet's animal species for future generations. We urge everyone to play their part in safeguarding our planet and animals by adopting at least one of these measures. So, are you going to help save the polar bears?